The health minister says the meeting held last week followed a written request by the GTUC. He described the meeting as successful.
The ministry did meet with the Trade Union Council. Permanent secretary met with a delegation. The reports back from the meeting or minutes of the meeting were quite positive in terms of the Trade Union Council stands ready to interact and participate in our preparations. So we welcomed it. I welcomed it last week, and as far as I'm concerned, it continues to go well.
However, during this morning's To The Point program, President of TUC, Andre Lewis, says the minister's statement is untrue.
And I heard a repeat of GBN News that was carried last night. And in that news, the Minister for Health also almost said help, and we really need help in truth, indicated that the Grenada Trade Union Council met with the Ministry of Health sometime last week on the matter of the coronavirus. I want to say that this is the furthest from the truth.
Lewis categorically stated that the union is yet to receive a response to 2 of the letters requesting a meeting.
As a matter of fact, we wrote the Minister of Health on the 24th of February requesting certain answers to some concerns that we had. That was of concern to not just the TUC, but the labor movement and the population as a whole, as to what was being done to help protect our country from that threat. We then followed up with a letter addressed to the minister again on the 3rd of March and proposing to meet urgently on the 6th of March. As we speak right now, Blossom, we have not had even an acknowledgement from the Minister of Health to our request to meet.
The minister was contacted on Thursday to clarify exactly who he held the meeting with. This was his response.
Well, I heard what he said, and it's unfortunate what he said. And also, I would say, in particular, my postcard announcements were recorded, so you can go back and hear them. And I said that we were already meeting sectors of their membership, etc., and so on, that I most definitely welcome a meeting. I said that publicly, because they are partners in this. He went on the radio this morning and said because I hadn't written him back as yet, or he hadn't received a letter back from me as yet, that my statements are incorrect and I'm lying. I said I'm willing to meet them. I said that we are already meeting with some of their membership. The Ministry of Health met with the Public Workers Union, which is a member of the Trade Union Congress.
The GTUC president says they are in support of certain positions taken by government as it relates to restrictions of travel to certain countries, the return of nationals, and quarantine of persons showing symptoms of the virus. A meeting was scheduled for earlier this afternoon. However, Lewis is requesting to have a one-on-one discussion. Christina John, GBN News.